Jangan mengharapkan segalanya terjadi sesuai yang engkau inginkan, namun terimalah segala yang terjadi. Maka hidupmu akan tenang. Ini rumusnya sederhana. Kita akan sering menginginkan banyak hal dalam hidup ini. Nah, kalau menginginkan ini sambil kita kasih tanda petik, semoga, insya Allah, dan lain sebagainya, kita lebih tenang. Tapi kalau kita memastikan yang kita inginkan harus terjadi, kita akan lebih banyak stres. Ada lagi yang lebih menenangkan apa? Kita terima segala yang sudah terjadi. Ini lebih menenangkan. Kenyataannya saya ditolak. Wah, kenyataannya saya diputus. Mau gimana lagi, saya terima. Itu lebih menenangkan.
Hello friends, Shotcrete, also known as gunite or sprayed concrete or pneumatic concrete or guncrete. This construction technique was first used in 1914. Shotcreting is done with a special unit which consists of a mortar gun, also known as concrete sprayer, and a compressor. In this technique, a mortar or high performance concrete is conveyed through a pipe and pneumatically projected at high velocity onto a surface. The nozzle is controlled by hand on small jobs such as swimming pool, and on larger work it is attached to mechanical arms and operated by handheld remote control. It has a high strength, durability, good bonding ability, and it can be used in areas of difficult access. It can be easily sprayed onto a surface at high velocity, making it handy for operation. Now let us understand how shotcrete is different from conventional concrete. Conventional concrete is first placed and then compacted, whereas shotcrete undergoes placement and compaction at same time. The impact created by the application consolidates the concrete. Although the hardened properties of shotcrete are similar to those of conventional concrete, the nature of the placement process results in an excellent bond and instant capabilities, particularly on complex forms or shapes. The shotcrete process requires less formwork and can be more economical than conventionally placed concrete. Poured concrete can have a compressive strength of 2500 to 3000 psi, whereas shotcrete exceeds 4000 psi. When concrete is sprayed on surface, it causes compaction of shotcrete paste, which results in good adhesion to surface. Shotcrete can be applied in two ways. One, wet mix, which we call as shotcrete, and two, dry mix, which is also known as gunite. Let us discuss about dry mix process first. You can see in this picture, this equipment is called as shotcrete gun, and this is the air compressor. Dry ingredients like cement, sand, aggregate, and admixtures are placed into a hopper and blown through a pipe using compressed air to a nozzle. The water is injected at the nozzle by a nozzle man to hydrate the mixture immediately before it is discharged onto the receiving surface. The water and the dry mixture is not completely mixed, but it is completed as the mixture hits the receiving surface by high impact. This requires a skilled nozzleman, especially in case of thick or heavily reinforced sections. Nozzleman can operate from 1000 feet horizontally or 500 feet vertically from the gun. Wet mix process. You can see in this picture, ready mix truck is located here. This is the concrete pump and this is the air compressor. The cementitious material, aggregate, admixtures, including water, are thoroughly mixed by ready mix truck and poured into a concrete pump. Wet material is pumped to the nozzle where compressed air is introduced to increase the nozzle discharge velocity, and mixture is thrown onto a receiving surface. The wet mix process generally produces less rebound, less waste when material falls to the floor, and less dust compared to the dry mix process. Uses. Shotcreting has proved to be the best method for construction of curved surfaces like domes, tunnels, etc. Shotcrete is used to reinforce both temporary and permanent excavations. Shotcrete is advantageous in situations where formwork cannot be placed and where access to the work area is difficult, and where thin layers or variable thickness are required or normal casting techniques cannot be employed. Shotcrete is very useful in hard rock mining. Development of decline pathway to go underground is critical for movement of heavy machinery, miners, and material. Shotcrete helps make these paths safe from any groundfall. Shotcrete has been used extensively to construct concrete swimming pools. Swimming pools constructed with shotcrete are typically more durable and long-lasting than poured concrete. Additionally, the use of shotcrete allows for customization in shape, depth, and styles that are not typically available in traditional pool kits. Shotcrete repair can be used for bridge deck rehabilitation, but it has generally been uneconomical for major full thickness repairs. The repair of structural members such as walls, beams, columns, and connections is common for structures damaged by earthquake and fire. Marine structures. Damage to marine structures can result from deterioration of concrete and reinforcement. Damaging conditions are corrosion of steel, freezing and thawing action, impact loading, structural distress, physical abrasion from the action of waves, sand, gravel, and floating ice, and chemical attack due to sulfates. These problems can occur in most marine structures such as bridge decks, piles, pile caps, beams, piers, navigation locks, guide walls, dams, powerhouses, and discharge tunnels. Spillway surfaces. Surfaces subject to high velocity flows may be damaged by cavitation erosion or abrasion erosion. Slope and surface protection. Shotcrete is often used for temporary protection of exposed rock surfaces that will deteriorate when exposed to air. Shotcrete can be of four types: fiber reinforced shotcrete, silica fume shotcrete, accelerated shotcrete, and polymer modified shotcrete. Let us discuss fiber reinforced shotcrete first. Unreinforced shotcrete, like unreinforced conventional concrete, is a brittle material that experiences cracking and displacement when subjected to tensile stresses or strains. The addition of fibers to the shotcrete mixture adds ductility to the material as well as energy absorption capacity and impact resistance. Fibers used in shotcrete are available in three general forms: steel fibers, glass fibers, and synthetic fibers. Silica fume shotcrete. Silica fume is a very fine non-crystalline pozzolanic material composed mostly of silica. Silica fume is used in shotcrete to increase bond strength, decrease permeability, enhance cohesion and adhesion. Addition of silica fume in shotcrete helps to apply thicker layers of shotcrete in a single pass to vertical and overhead surfaces. Shotcrete containing silica fume may have improved resistance to aggressive chemicals. Accelerated shotcrete. Accelerating admixtures are used extensively in shotcrete. Highly effective accelerators have been developed for rapid setting of shotcrete, often considered super accelerators. These are commonly used with dry mix shotcrete. Accelerated shotcrete is particularly beneficial in tunnel support because it allows rapid section buildup, early strength development, and seals water leakage. For applications in splash zone of marine structures, an accelerating admixture may be used to prevent freshly placed shotcrete from being washed away by the incoming tide or by wave action. Polymer modified shotcrete. Polymers are incorporated into shotcrete to improve flexural and tensile strengths, improve bond, and reduce absorption because of lower permeabilities. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Biasa ke dinding ini. Iya, tahu jadi ini.
Ini biasanya 6 sampai 7. Langsung full Mas. Iya.
Ya wis biasa ae. Tetep layar kan.
Iya wis. Aja kabeh lho wae kurang bingung.
Iya.
Taruh dulu nih, Mas.